try, you would find generic lead can't pierce through a bulletproof heart, and even for vain busts, I will bleed pure art. My blood clots will clot in the mini Mona Lisas that are hung in museums, while you're just a coffin forgotten lying in the mausoleum. See, I'm not talking
martyrdom,
I'm talking
martyrdom.
So go ahead, give me your best shot. Stop funding programs for my schools. Marginalize me.
Disenfranchise me.
I dare you. Inject pure cyanide into my pulsating poetry vein, but my spirit lives on. Put a bullet right through my brain, but no matter the condition of my splattered gray matter, my ideas remain unchanged. And now I'm unchanged. So believe you me, the soul is immortal. So go ahead, try and assassinate
me. These motherfuckers will never say anything I'm supposed to say. They're going to kill me. I spent 18 years of erasing racism. I spent 18 years of equalization. I spent 18 years of education. While for 35 years, you sat and tried to start a grassroots revolution in a workshop class. And while for 45 years, you protested with picket signs while sporting pairs of Nikes built by the Cambodian girls you adopted and sent money to through a 1-800-HELP hotline. So penetrate my soul with your activist tactics. Plastered on your North Face black backpack covered with conscious rap patches, because your remedy for the revolution has not and will not ever work, so I'm here to change the curriculum. And I don't care if you kill me,
beat me,
and me,
put me in a coffin and stab me, drag me into the woods and hang me, burn me, turn me into strange fruit, then squeeze me, drink me, because once you kill me, I'll be all around you. So I dare you, try and assassinate me.
I wrote this piece at the last minute, just 2 seconds before my approximated death. I felt your footsteps on the back of my neck, so I took that last breath to breathe life into these last 58 seconds that I had to write, but I couldn't write. There was only enough air in my lungs to scream, so I screamed like Coretta when they made a nightmare out of a dream. And it seemed that if I become too great, y'all be sending me upstream, cause we have become too scared to start fighting against the regime. But my death is that bird dream, but only if you sleep, and I haven't slept in weeks. So yes, please, give it your best shot. How is that can you make me die? A poet's tongue is injected with cyanide. We spit the earth cries. You got 45 seconds to make a truth out of your life. So no, I won't struggle as you attempt to cut off the passage of my air. I'm passing through the air so you breathe me. And in death, I'll become the reason that you live. I am that same breath you use to go home and kiss your kids. This be exactly what it is. Maybe not what you expect, because I don't quite fit the script of the usual suspects. But my sex means nothing. 25, 24, 23. I have lived and died 20 times before you even had a chance to see me. Now I can't die. I'm continuous and everlasting like the sunrise. Even if I move back to Osage Avenue, y'all try to bomb my house.
Again.
Me and Ramona will continue to walk those Philly streets as legends. 14, 13, 12. You want to get it hot, but I get it hotter than hell. Still dodging your attempts to kill